Our location is the closest to BCC in the group. So we have been using BCC as our learning resource partner for a long time. So we have been using them for our internships and any requirements related to enhancements in the areas where we want them. Recently, we decided that we wanted to take that internship to a next level. Why did we want that? We wanted our merchant to be a true merchant. In that aspect, we had many discussions with the BCC leadership team and decided to come up with this BCC Bell-inspired internship program. There, we decided to get the cream out of the programs to get them to come here and go through this 1-year training program. So this involved a lot of on-the-job training as well as academic training. So there, we wanted them to have an end-to-end understanding of what the front-end merchandising role should be. So it's a long-term commitment from those members. However, we completed the first internship program successfully. So today, they have been absorbed to our permanent cadre. So when we looked at the whole program, how it went, and the training that they got, and what they are delivering today, we are very happy that it was a super success in terms of meeting our requirements. And we are continuing with that program for future as well. The ones who get selected for this program has the opportunity to cover 45% of what they are spending on this program. Also, we are looking at giving the best students more opportunities because as you all know, we are having an international presence. So therefore, some of the factories which are in India or any other location, we are planning to give them some internships in those locations as well. As always, I would like to have the best of talents coming and working for Brandix Essentials.